Hello everyone, Linda Israel here, and I thought I would do a quick video because I keep getting questions about my little glue pot, my collage glue that I made, which is basically a airtight container that I put some sponges inside and added some white glue. Now I don't have the same container, but I have another one that I found in my stash. And so what I thought I would do is show you how to make this. I'm going to clean this out. Looks like it's dusty. I have some cellulose sponges. These came 3 to a package at the Dollar Tree. And what I'm going to do is look at this and see what size I need to make it. I want it to be just a little bit smaller than the container. So we're going to start right about here, and I'm going to cut this up. Let's see if I did good. So let's go here, and then right about. So I'm just making a piece to fit down inside. I'm going to cut one more. So these are going to fit inside here like so. And what I decided to do with mine was I put just a touch of water, and then I take some tacky glue or white glue. I found that tacky glue seemed to work pretty well for me because I know that it sticks and it's not super runny. And if you will fill this up as much as possible here, this takes a little bit of time to get it in here. In fact, what I may do is just take the nozzle off so I can get more at one time. So what's going to happen is this glue is going to seep down into the sponge. So I'm going to put the next one on top, put just a tad of water on that sponge, and then I'm going to pour some more glue over the top. So what I found is that when you first make it, you may have to add more glue to it until it really soaks into the sponge. You can see here how it's really soaked in down on mine. So I will set this aside, I'll put the lid on, and then come back tomorrow and add more glue if necessary. But I just thought I would show you really fast that this is nice and wet and sticky. If I need more glue in it, in fact what I normally do is when I'm done playing with it, I'll add more glue on top so that it's always got glue inside, but it does last a really long time. So I've just got a little scrap of paper here. Let's see what else I've got. Let me find another scrap. Here, now I've got another little scrap. And what I like to use is a peg foam brush. And I like this because it seems to work better for me. And I will just take this, I'm going to take a smaller piece, and I will coat the paper where I want to stick the other piece of paper. And it's a nice thin amount that when I glue this down, it dries relatively quickly. Sometimes I'll go over the top, but it's not necessary unless you just see that it's not sticking down really well. But that's how I made my little glue pot. Just glue and a little bit of water to kind of help keep it moist and let it set for a while, and then you have a little glue pot. I like using the sponge. Some people like to take their paper and then dip it into their pot and then glue it down, so it's up to you what you like to do. I hope you liked this tutorial. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Comment below what you thought. Share this video if you think it'll help other people. And let's see, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Check out the description box to links to my social media and all that good stuff, especially my groups. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. Have a fabulous day. Bye.